Yes, man, if y'all can see from the title of the thumbnail, yes, I got into a wreck recently, bro. As y'all can see, bro, my shit just broke off, bro. Hood coming up and shit. It's all types of fuckery in here, man. I need a wash, bro. All types of shit. Fuck, bro. I can't even give y'all boys no cold start either, but I'm gonna just get y'all whenever we on the road, though. Gonna give y'all boys some POVs. Gonna give y'all, actually, I'm gonna do it from right here. All right. But yeah, y'all get the fucking motto. All right, y'all, it's your boy, the motherfucking Nissan Maxima, modified. Oh shit, can I even go this fucking way? Fuck it. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, bro, I got into a wreck recently, bro. Recently in Houston, I was with my boy Jay, the one that drives in the AMG. Oh shit. He has an AMG CLA, I think 45. I think that's what that motherfucker called. 35, whatever the fuck I want to call it. 2015, twin turbo, of course. But yeah, we was driving, right? And so then this nigga was in the middle of the fucking highway, fool. Like, I kid you not. Hold on, put my light back on. All right. Like, bro was in the middle of the fucking highway, fam. In the fucking fast lane, bro. In the fast lane for no fucking reason, bro. Because there was another car that was in a wreck, right? But the thing is, the car that got in the wreck the first time wasn't even, like, he don't even know how the fuck he even got into the wreck, bro. That's the crazy part about it. And so my homeboy was asking Jay, he was like, so do you know how you hit, like how you ran into the wall and shit? The nigga said no. Nigga, what you mean no? Should I go that way? Or should I keep straight? We're gonna keep straight, fuck it. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna run out my window. I don't wanna roll that bitch down too far. Alright. Roll the bitches up a little bit. God damn. Hold on. Alright. Put the gear shit. We in 3 right now. Oh, that bitch popped. Did y'all hear that shit? Oh my god, that shit popped. Y'all hear that shit? But yeah, anyways, Jay was asking him, like, how'd you run into the wall and shit? But yeah, my homeboy was like, how'd you run into the wall? He was like, I don't know. Oh, we was like, what you mean you don't know? And like, bro was just off the fucking, like, bro was geeked, bro. Like, this nigga ain't have no idea what the fuck was going on. And then, like, a couple minutes later, bro, we sitting there waiting for the cops. This nigga took off in the middle of the fucking highway. I kid y'all not. While cars are coming, this nigga took off in the middle of the fucking highway like a fucking, I don't even know. I think that nigga was on something. Like, bro was on something. He had to be on something. We don't know what, but he was on some shit. And it wasn't the good shit. It was the bad shit. So, I don't know, bro. But I ain't paying for it. Thank God I wasn't, because obviously I wasn't in fault because I didn't do anything wrong, obviously. Because the way it happened was my homeboy was in front of me, right? And so, we was just driving. We was driving like 65 to 70 on some cool shit. Not even no speed and shit for real. And so we was driving, all of a sudden, he's like steady on the gas. Like he like, I mean not the gas, the brakes. He was hitting on the brakes hard as fuck. And he started swerving. I was like, what the fuck is he doing in my head? But like after that, I hit my shit too. Like I hit the fuck out my brakes. Like I don't got good brakes cause I need to get my shit done, which I should have got my shit done. But after that, hold on, I don't know if this shit gonna fuck with your eyes, but I'm about to change the color inside my car. Hold on. But yeah, after the matter of fact, bro, like, it was just, I don't know, bro. That shit was on some weird ass shit. That shit fucking with my eyes. Hold on, I need to on some cool shit. What the fuck we on? Hold on. God damn, what the fuck button am I clicking? Tell the fuck out. I'm clicking the wrong shit. Oh, here it is. There it goes. Alright, but anyways, like I said, he was hitting his gas. I mean, he was hitting his brake. I was hitting my brakes. We fully down on our shit. He stopped like midway towards the car. Then he turned into the on the shoulder, like, you know where the yellow line's at, where you supposed to be when you pull over to help somebody, right? So then it's just the fact, like, at the moment, bro, in my head, I'm like, fuck. I'm trying to squeeze in where that nigga at, bro. I'm trying to get on the side where he at. I'm trying to get on the, oh shit. I'm trying to get on the side where he at to pull over with that nigga to get on the fucking shoulder. Hold on, wait, I think that's 12. No, that ain't 12. Is that Trey? I know that's T-Bird. But yeah, the matter of fact, bro, it was like, is that T-Bird? No, I don't know. But bro, it's just the fact, bro, like, it was weird because, like, he was on the shoulder, right? And I was like, fuck, I'm trying to fit in through that little, like a little gap that he tried to make for me, bro, but I couldn't because the way my front is on my car, I wasn't gonna be able to fit. So shit, by the time he already stopped and hit his brakes, I was already fucked and I hit dead into the fucking car. So yeah, and then like it's crazy because like the window kind of fucked. I'm gonna roll it down a little bit. Like it's crazy because like the fact is, Wednesday I got pulled over for my tint because they said my tint was too dark. They said my tint was too dark for one. The next day, which was Thursday, I got pulled over again because Wednesday I got pulled over because my tint was too dark and I didn't have no front license plate, which I took off. And I was like, all right, cool, I'll pay for the ticket, all that bullshit, or either I just get that bitch replaced and get some more tint. Don't really matter to me, but I'm not taking off my tint because I had this tint for months, bro, and like they never said shit about it. So like, what the fuck is the problem now? But yeah, and then the next day, Thursday, I got pulled over again, but he gave me a warning because I was speeding through a school zone, which is my fault. I really, like, you feel me? I was actually kind of excited, but yeah. So wait, I actually want to hit my shit right now. Hold on. I want to hit my shit. Hold on. Let down my window. Sound like I hit more wind than the fucking car. But yeah, I got pulled over that Thursday. He gave me a warning and all that other shit. And then I was like, all right, cool. So then I went home that day. I didn't even do shit. I don't think I edited a fucking video. But then Friday, that's whenever I got into a wreck that Friday. So Wednesday through Friday, I had a fuck over for me. This shit wasn't going my week those couple of days. And yeah, but hey man, I thank God that he gave, like, you know, I didn't fucking die during the wreck or anything bad happened. Because if I would have never stopped, or like if I wasn't paying attention fully, you know what I mean? And like, if I wasn't like fully paying attention and like I was on my phone or some shit, it probably could have been worse, I'm not gonna lie. Or either I tried to turn on my blinker and then try to get over to the right lane, and then I think that was oncoming traffic too. So I think I was gonna die either or. So I mean, I just thank God that I'm still fucking alive and I can still make content for y'all. But yeah, other than that, I'm just ready to get my shit fixed. God damn. Other than that, I'm just ready to get my shit fixed, truly, because I'm finna do a lot to this car. So make sure y'all boys subscribe if y'all haven't already. Watch how fast my shit jump, bro. Watch how fast my fucking shit jump, bro. Like, this bitch be moving, bro. I'm telling you. Y'all just gotta watch. Y'all just gotta watch the number. Hold on, wait. Let me see. Can I change it? Oh shit. Hold on. All right. at that shit. It's because, if y'all didn't know, I do have a chip inside my car. As y'all can see. Oh, let me see. Can I show y'all? I have a chip in my car. It gave me 60 plus horsepower inside of it. So, you feel me? Like, but I don't have the fastest car, obviously. The fastest car in this shit right now is the AMG, which is J shit. So yeah. And then the rest we got inside the car channel is we got a 5.0 Mustang. I mean, not a 5.0. Is it a 5.0? I don't even know. But we got a Mustang, a Jeep Cherokee, and some other shit. I don't remember, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie. But I think he about to get an SRT though. So truly, I really don't know, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie. But I want to see how fast did my shit get in a 60. I'm still in sport mode. Oh shit. Let me see something. We'll need to do right here from 0. Let's see how fast you get to 60. All right, let's see how fast we get to 60. Here we go. Look at that shit. But that shit crazy as hell. Boy, that shit crazy as fuck. Holy shit. But I can't wait to get my next car, bro. I don't know what car I should get next. I have 5 cars in mind, bro. So, hey, man, if this video do good, bro, y'all comment down below which car I should actually try and get, bro. I feel, what the fuck is that? Is that a nigga bumper? I hope that ain't from my shit. But the 5 cars that I have in mind is either a Infiniti, a BMW. Well, let me tell you my top 5 so far, like in order. It's a BMW, Mustang, Kia Stinger, Infiniti, or what was the other car? Oh, or a Daytona. So y'all let me know down below, man. I'm at the crib now, so I'm about to go to end this video, man. If y'all have made it this far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Comment down below if y'all want some more POVs, man. We finna start doing vlogs and all that good shit, man. But look, I'm about to be out this thing. Y'all boys stay safe.